We will be opening the unfertile eggs right now. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, yan na. Yan na. Check, tas may igot pala, no? Oh no, what is it? Okay. We are now looking at the unfertile egg. As you can see, it's only yolk. Yolk ba yung buti? Yung white egg pala. So, white egg talaga siya. Wala talaga. Ayan o. Parang gotos. Sarap. Plus, scrambled egg. And the smell is... Ano smell? What is the smell? Actually, white egg lang siya talaga. Yan. Focus by white egg lang talaga siya. There's no live veins. So, yan lang. Ayan. It smells... It's not yet smells rotten kasi it's fresh, pero yan lang. I hope you learned something. We open a unfertile egg of a ball python. This is the insides of that. I hope you learned something. Bye.
Yuck.